that's the construction of our floors. If you remember, we have these huge wooden beams going like this, and they are not in the same axis. They are actually super off axis, and we're not having one perfect slope. So I had to use these cross beams going parallel to the original beams to straighten out and level the floors, and they're secured in place with the corner brackets. They allow us some adjustability, so we can like put it in perfect level. And in every place where metal is touching the wood, we have this stuff. I'm not sure for the English name of it, but it's mainly used for roofing. I also put them on our cross beams to prevent any possible squeaks. And we have 2 layers of wool, 200 mil in total, insulating our floors. So, as you can see, we're doing quite well here. The place is already starting to take shape. Now you can kind of imagine where it's gonna be what. And let me show you around. So the ceiling is finally sealed up and no more of this black crap is falling on our heads, which is quite nice. I've showed you earlier how I made the floors. We have 2 layers of OSB, and in the bathroom you can see that we only have 1 layer for now. And later on we're gonna have some cement boards as the tile underlay. So yeah, this is going to be the bathroom. I just wait for the plumber to put all the pipes in so I can finish up those walls. You can see that this wall is going like 45 degrees, but in a bathroom you preferably should have 90 degrees everywhere. So we have this kind of a step thing, and here will be the place for the washing machine, and here will be the place for the shower cabin. Sorry for the mess, I'm actually mid-work right now. But when you walk out of the bathroom, you are gonna end up in a living room. The living room will be here, and on that side we will have the kitchen. The kitchen will start from the entrance door and go all the way to the bathroom wall. So we're really trying our best here to save up as much space as possible. Obviously this whole space will be the living room, and this small kind of a half wall is separating us from the bedroom. So here we are entering our bedroom in the future. This part of the floor we can't really finish it up right now because we have some problem with this radiator, and we're gonna have somebody coming and fixing it, and then we can finish up this floor, and then we can build a wall there. And then we're gonna have a built-in closet that's gonna go from that wall 90 degrees to that wall and going like this, and this whole area will be the built-in closet storage space. Right now I'm doing some electrical work, just putting in some cables in place. All of the cables will go on the ceiling, and our ceiling solution will be the stretched out ceilings. I'm not sure for the English name of it, but I'm gonna find it. Yeah, I think for this episode it's gonna be it. It was very hard for me to film a lot, and I have a lot of work to do here, and I'm really tight on time right now. So I think I'm gonna end up this episode here, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks with some more upgrades. Quick sub, and I'll see you soon.